Good morning, class. This is Miss Miola Shanahan. This video is to help you work through the assignments that are on Schoology. When you go to your English class, you will see this purple folder, School from Home. You will also see our contact information. This is for Miss Miller, her email address and phone number, and for myself, Miss Miola Shanahan, my email and my phone number. Please contact us with any questions that you may have. We are here for you. So let's click on School from Home folder. The first thing you'll see is this discussion here. All students must read and respond. This is if you would like to have live chatting with Miss Miller. She will be available from 11 to 1 Mondays through Friday through an application called Zoom. Today, I'd like to talk about week 1. So week 1, if you see here, actually began last Monday, 3/18, and ends this Friday, 3/27. In this first week, we are exploring the question, what are human rights? You have a journal, you have a play posit, which we'll be discussing in this video, to build some background understanding. And then there are 3 play posits about human rights from the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Then there is a News ELA article, the relationship between war and hunger, and a quiz and a central idea paragraph. I will be doing another how-to video for section 4. Okay, so let's click on week 1. You have a journal just like we did in class. If you click on the journal, you are going to look at the image and you are going to say what you see, what you think, and what you wonder. We see here, Hamadi has responded that he sees someone's hand and he thinks they're talking about human rights and he wonders where it started. Many of you have already submitted this. Good work. If you have not, please go ahead and submit your journal. What do you see? What do you think? What do you wonder? Please put the date and please answer in complete sentences. Going back into our folder, let's look at the building background history of human rights. When I enter into the play posit, it starts with a question. What do you know about human rights? So here you answer whatever it is you might know. I know that they are very important. I also know that not everyone's rights are always protected. And then I'm going to submit that. Now I'm going to watch a video that's going to talk to me about human rights. Now I'm going to pause the video here. If you see, all of these dots are going to be times that the video is going to pause and ask me a question. So if I go here, it says, what are human rights? Rights are given to you simply because you are human. Rights given to women, rights that only protect men. Well, I think that human rights are for all people because you are human. So I'm going to click that and hit submit. Excellent. Okay. Now there are some questions that are not multiple choice like this one, you might come across a question that says free response. Here, you may answer anything you're thinking about. Do you have a question? Did you hear something that you liked? Do you just want to repeat a detail because you think it was important? You might say here, human rights are for all people, no matter age, race, or gender. And then you would submit that. Okay. So that's what the play posits are. You are just listening to the information and taking a quiz or reflective question. And then when you are finished, the information is available to Ms. Miller and myself, so we can review what you guys had answered. So that is the play posit. If we exit out of here, let me see for a second. You have 4 of these play posits, these videos with questions. Here, there are short commercials that show you the first 10 articles in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Then you have another play posit that talks about the articles 11 through 20 in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. And then finally, another series of articles 20 through 30. Okay, I hope that this helps you understand how to do the play posits. I'm going to do a separate how-to video about the article, the quiz, and the central idea paragraph. Thank you so much for listening. Please contact us. We love you all, and we want you to be safe and well, and can't wait till we see you again. Thank you.